This is America's biggest Halloween candy factory, where millions of sweets are made every day.
Step inside and see how your favorite Halloween candies come to life.
High-speed robots sort thousands of candies every minute, ready for trick-or-treaters across the country. Rivers of chocolate flow through the factory, forming the base for many classic treats. Special machines create fun Halloween shapes in every batch. It all starts with tons of sugar and syrup, delivered fresh every morning.
Every ingredient is checked for quality and safety before entering the factory.
The sugar is the main ingredient, and it's carefully measured for every recipe.
Automated mixers blend the perfect base for chewy and hard candies. Automated mixers blend the perfect base for chewy and hard candies. Technicians use advanced controls to keep every batch consistent.
The candy base is cooked at just the right heat for the perfect texture.
Natural and artificial flavors are added for that classic Halloween taste.
Colorful dyes turn the candy base into eye-catching Halloween shades.
The hot candy is poured out and cooled before shaping.
Every step is monitored for safety and quality. Taffy is stretched and pulled until it's perfectly chewy. Slicing machines cut the candy into perfect pieces in seconds. Quality control teams check every batch for shape and size. Each piece gets a spooky stamp, pumpkins, bats, and more. The candies are wrapped in festive Halloween colors, ready for packing.
Tour. Robots handle the candies gently to keep them looking perfect. If you enjoy seeing how these factories work, hit subscribe.
Every tray is scanned and tracked for total quality control. The candies rest here before heading to the next stage.
Climate control keeps the candies fresh and delicious.
Chocolate candies are molded into fun Halloween shapes.
Gentle vibrations make sure every chocolate is smooth and solid. Gentle vibrations make sure every chocolate is smooth and solid. The candies cool down as they move through a long refrigerated tunnel. Workers carefully remove each chocolate to keep the shapes perfect.
A shiny coating gives the chocolates a tempting look.
Some candies get a surprise filling for extra flavor.
Each bite is packed with flavor and fun.
Sour candies get a sweet coating for the perfect balance. Technicians check every batch for just the right tang.
Licorice is made in long ropes, then cut into bite-sized pieces.
Twisted licorice gets its look from these clever machines.
Some candies get a special message just for Halloween. Only the clearest stamps make it into the final mix. Sorting machines organize the candies for perfect variety in every bag.
Robots mix the candies to create the perfect Halloween assortment.
Each bag is filled with a fun mix of Halloween treats.
Bags are sealed to keep the candy fresh until Halloween night.
Every bag is weighed to make sure you get the right amount. The bags travel down the line, ready for packing.
Boxes are built on-site for fast, efficient packing.
Robots pack the boxes quickly and carefully. Every box is tracked from the factory to the store.
The warehouse holds millions of candies, ready for shipment.
Forklifts move the candy to waiting trucks for delivery.
Every shipment is double-checked for accuracy and safety.
The candy travels from the factory to stores nationwide.
Soon, these candies will be ready for trick-or-treaters everywhere.
Families pick out their favorite treats for the big night. Kids love the bright colors and fun shapes.
The excitement builds as the candy is opened and shared.
Bowls of candy are ready for trick-or-treaters to enjoy.
The journey from factory to front porch is complete.
Every piece started its journey in America's biggest candy factory.
The taste of Halloween is made possible by high-tech candy makers.
Halloween candy brings friends and families together.
Safety is a top priority, from the factory to your home.
Every wrapper is designed to keep your candy safe and fresh.
Cleanliness and safety are at the heart of every step. Advanced technology keeps the factory running smoothly. Teams work together to solve problems and keep production on track.
Skilled technicians keep the machines running at peak performance.
The factory can switch to new shapes and flavors in minutes. New designs are created and tested right in the factory. Food scientists are always working on the next big Halloween treat.
Every flavor is tested and perfected before it goes into production.
New ideas are tested in small batches before going nationwide.
Taste tests help decide which candies make the final cut.
Machines are cleaned and sanitized between every batch. Every step is double-checked for safety and quality. The factory recycles as much as possible to reduce waste. Even the wrappers get a second life after Halloween. The factory uses renewable energy to help power candy production. Engineers work to make the factory greener every year.
Sustainability is a growing focus for the candy industry.
Teamwork and technology make it all possible.
The final candies roll off the line, ready for Halloween night.
Check for quality. Every batch is checked for quality before it leaves the factory.
Automated scanners make sure every bag is perfect. The last boxes are packed and ready to go.
The last trucks are loaded for delivery across the country.
Every box is labeled and tracked from the factory to the store.
Security checks help keep every shipment safe.
Halloween candy is on its way to homes everywhere.
The factory winds down, ready to start again next year.
From raw ingredients to finished treats, it's an amazing journey.
Thanks for joining us inside America's biggest Halloween candy factory. See you on the next tour.